Put it in reverse. Boom! Look at that. Yo, what? What's going on, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another video. I'm really excited about today's video, guys. Obviously, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be installing something that I'm looking very forward to in the BRZ, and that's going to be the new head unit. Let me bring you guys right over, show you what it is. A new Toto in-car dash entertainment system, and we also decided to grab the reverse camera. So I'm really excited to get this installed in the BRZ. One of the things that I really dislike in this car is the head unit. I have the limited. Some FRSs and most BRZs come with this one here. If you're like 2016 and older, or I might be wrong, it might be just 2015. This head unit is balls. Since I've owned the BRZ, I've never been able to connect the Bluetooth to this car, and it's been a real pain in the butt. And sometimes the USB cable, it can be a pain in the butt. It's really delayed, and it's really outdated, and it just kind of really sucks. It doesn't come with CarPlay, the GPS sucks, and overall it's really outdated, and it's gotta go. I think it's about time that we finally do a mod to the car that I'm gonna enjoy every day as a daily driver. And I did a lot of research on the head unit that I wanted to choose for this car, and this one seems to be the best option, so I'm really looking forward to it. I'm gonna give you guys pretty much a breakdown of the install. I'm gonna pretty much show you guys everything that comes along with it. So we're gonna do a real quick unboxing. I'm gonna show you guys everything that's inside of the box. Today, guys, we might just be installing the dash entertainment system because we were running short on time. It's gonna get dark pretty soon. I don't know how much time I'll have to do the rear camera, so we might just have to do that in a separate video. So when you get in here, you're gonna get a screen protector, a couple manuals, a couple instructions, warranty and stuff like that. Also, this is all gonna be linked in the description, so you can buy everything that you're gonna see in this video. And here is the main entertainment unit. It's gonna look like this. This thing is huge, way bigger than the OEM one. You're gonna get your new mic, wiring harness, 2 USB connectors, GPS antenna, Wi-Fi antenna, brackets. That's pretty much everything that comes in that box. Also, you're going to need a wiring harness. If you're gonna be installing this on a different car, you might need a different wiring harness. So I would just do your research before you do buy it, and then make sure that it fits your car. But for the BRZ owners, I'm gonna leave it down linked in the description as well. First thing we're gonna do right now is get into the car itself and pretty much just tear everything apart. Get yourself a ratchet with a long extension on it, 10 mil socket, so you can get in here and just get these screws off. Should be pretty loose already. I believe it's only 4. Show you guys. You're gonna come back here, pretty much unplug all these things. We'll just leave that down there for now. So it got pretty dark already. Probably should have started this video way earlier. The car is a mess right now, so disregard that. We have both connectors right here. It's pretty much, you're just connecting the colors to each other. There's gonna be a couple that are gonna be left without connecting. Everything is also in the box if you have any questions, which colors go where. I have this as a reference, but they're literally all colors pretty much connect to each other here, so it really should be pretty simple. And I have these, they're like weatherproof butt connectors with the heat shrink. It might be a little overkill. You don't really have to do all this, you know, whichever way you decide to connect your wires should be fine. I just, I don't know, I wanted to be extra, so I got this. So you don't have to do all that though. So I'm just gonna get started connecting these. Alright guys, so we finished connecting all the wires to the harness, and all we really did was just connect the colors to the colors that matched. It's pretty straightforward, honestly. I thought it was gonna be more difficult than what it was. It's pretty straightforward. Just follow the colors that are on the harness that comes with the car. It pretty much tells you where to connect, and all the colors are pretty much all the same, and they all line up. Purple to purple, green to green, black and green to black and green. It just makes sense. You just plug it in together and you use whatever method you want to use. I decided to use the heat shrink. I connected everything and I made sure that it powered on, that everything was working, Bluetooth was working, all of that was working. So now all I really have to do is wire up the Bluetooth, and I just gotta find a way to kind of lead the wires across the pillar and down and underneath and inside here so that I can connect it to the unit. And then from there I also have to do the antenna for the GPS, which I'm probably gonna put it somewhere up here as well, so that way I can just feed it through here with the mic. I also need to 3M the antenna for the Wi-Fi, which I'm just gonna 3M it inside of here. Sorry if I look a little bit crusty right now, that lighting is really shiny. Right there. Yep, right there. I just put it on that bracket. Hopefully it stays there. So once you have the mic in here already coming out from the front of the headliner, you can pretty much just pull up until you get it to this part right here. This you can pop in already, so you want to slide the back in first, and then should just pop in there like that. That's good. What we're gonna do with the OEM pieces, we're gonna just pretty much shove the mic into that little square that you see right there, and that way you can pop this right back in there, and you won't even be able to tell that the mic is in there. Alright guys, this is the third and final day, I promise. Honestly, this should not take more than 3 to 4 hours if you're doing the whole backup camera and you're doing the whole head unit. The only reason why it took me so long is because I've never done this before, and I wanted to make sure that it was done right. I pretty much am all set. The unit is ready to be plugged in. So I ran the wire in through the pillar from the outside here through the back, and underneath there's a little rubber here that you can feed it through all the way down. On the outside of the door, you remove that panel. You can pop this panel out right here, pops out, and then feed the wire in through there underneath, and then feed it through from the bottom into the cabin over here, and then you can find a hole somewhere in here where you can feed it up in through here. I put the GPS joint right here, and I ran the wire through the same place. All right guys, so here is the mount, basically where you're going to mount the actual unit to. So this is what it's gonna look like. This piece that you see right here, this is the piece that actually came on the unit. So you take it off of the unit, then you see these little, how you have this here? That's where you're gonna mount the unit to. Once it's mounted to the car, that's where you're gonna mount the unit to. Then these are the OEM brackets that we took off the radio. If you wanna be able to have the unit sit out further, you're only gonna be using these 2 bolts. You could have the bracket sit up further on here and use all 4 bolts, but if you do that, your clearance is going to be very small. You're not going to be able to put the dash piece back on the car. The only thing is on these, there's like a little tiny metal ball that sticks out, so that's why you see that it's sitting like this. You could shave that off, but I didn't really need to because it's still mounted up pretty good. So once you have it on, it's going to go in there just like that. You're going to put OEM bolts back in there where they belong, and then you can feed the wire through here, connect it into the head unit, and then you should be able to just mount it up perfectly, and there shouldn't be any fitting issues, and you'll be able to use the OEM dash trim piece that goes right here, and I'll show you guys that once we connect the unit. So let's go ahead, connect the unit, and then we should be done with all of this. Pretty much everything plugged in. You have your GPS antenna, reverse camera, USB connector, Wi-Fi antenna. Back there is the mic jack. The harness itself is back here. It fit pretty well. Mine is a little bit more snug because of the suede. If you don't have any suede or any like thick material, it's gonna fit in very good. If you look from the sides, you will be able to see the mounts. You can either put some black masking tape or duct tape or whatever tape you want just to make it black, or you can take the harness off and paint it black, which is probably the option I'm gonna go with. I'm not gonna do that today. I'm gonna leave that for another day just to have it blend in a little bit better. I'm gonna do that in the future. So for now, let's put this back in and let's mount the actual unit itself. Alright guys, everything is plugged in. The backup camera is plugged in. All the trim pieces are back. This is what it looks like. Sheesh! Look at that, man. Damn, that thing is, yo, you can see me right there. Holy crap, yo, this thing is huge. So this is the moment of truth, guys. Let's start up the car. Let's see. We have power. Look at that. We already got the Subaru logo on there. Oh, that's fire. Oh, my bad. Didn't mean to do that. That's awkward. Yo, that is so sick. It is sticking out quite a bit. I can see the dial is fine. I can reach the, it's fine. We are losing the clock, but that's okay. We have one right here. It's fine. All right, now let's test the backup camera. So we'll put it in reverse. Boom! Look at that. What the? That looks mad weird. It's a little freaking fishy. I didn't calibrate it yet, but as you can see, look at that thing, bro. That's so sick. We got a backup cam. We got to calibrate it and all that good stuff. You can even change, look at all that. You can even change the colors and stuff. That's so sick. Some YouTube. Look at that. Yo, that's so sick. We're on YouTube right now. You know what I gotta do already, man. You already know. You already know what it is. Who the hell is this? Oh wait, I changed my name. I'm an idiot. Yo, I was like, yo, what the? Yo, nah. I'm crazy, bro. Alright, let's see. No, not who the freak is Ramon? Damn, bro, I'm so small. Nobody knows who I am. It's crazy. Yo, is that me? Yo, that's me. Yo. Let's see. Of course, you gotta watch the ad, you know, because, you know, I'm trying to make that money, you know what I mean? I'm gonna skip ad.
What's going on YouTube fans?
Yo, that's me.
And I decided
How do I? Oh, snap.
I decided, but I felt like it
Yo,
was time for me to
the
make
quality
this video.
is not bad, bro.
It's a video that I've been having a hard
It's
time
obviously
recording.
720.
This is actually like my 6th or 7th take.
Right, I mean,
And I don't
yeah.
know if it's because
Can we do
it's been such a long
1080?
time or
Let's
it's
try.
just, I don't know. Anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel.
It's taking a while. Yeah, it's loading. Well, it is connected to my phone, you know, so it's not gonna be the greatest Wi-Fi. Now, if you had a Wi-Fi, like if you had optimum Wi-Fi where there's Wi-Fi all over the place, then I'm sure you can set that up too, so that you can have Wi-Fi.
Another video.
Yo, this looks mad crispy. Nah.
A lot to tell you guys.
Nah. Yo, can you guys see that? It's buffering. Let's lower it a little bit. Yo, I'm so stoked about this, bro. I'm watching myself in my car.
We got the car
Yo,
back,
and the quality is so good.
Maybe a month and a half ago.
My nigga.
Personally, that's one of the main reasons.
And then if I go into reverse,
I had to postpone coming back to you.
it continues playing? That's so sick.
The community that it was built.
That's so sick. And it lowers the volume. So sick. Yo, I can't believe this. Yo, you guys need to get one
I
of
want
these.
to continue doing what I'm doing. So that's going to be the next part of this video.
That
I'm
is
gonna
so
really give you guys an
dope.
update on the car.
Yo, and it's so responsive, man. Like, you guys don't even understand. All right, let's go home.
You know, I feel like it's about time that.
Yo, what? It's right.
That I can drive.
Yo. Nah, can I move it? I can move it? Yo, I can't believe that. Yo, that's so sick, bro.
Like
look at that. Yo, oh my god.
Drive that I can drive in the snow.
This thing is so sick.
Something that I can beat up.
I can't.
And not
I'm
really
so
care
hyped.
too much about.
I am so hyped.
That's gonna be in the future plan.
Yo, you guys definitely need to get yourselves one of these. Now let me show you guys the CarPlay, which is, where is it? There it is.
On your daily, and
Car
it's obviously gonna be something that's gonna be cool. Something. That
I don't know if this stays here while it's on CarLink. Probably. We don't want to get copyrighted. It stays there. It stays there, bro. It stays there. Yo, that's so sick. Yo, this is like having a phone as a freaking... Yo, nah, I can't. That's so sick, bro. That's so sick. Damn. You guys definitely need to get one of these things, man. I'm stoked. I can't believe that this thing turned out that good. It was a little bit of a hassle to install, but honestly not that bad. You know, it looks pretty good. It runs well with the two pillars. It looks like it fits here. It's perfect. Obviously, I do want to do something with that bracket. But I'll show you guys if I do that in the future. I'll make it into another video. And I'm going to make another separate video, in-depth review of everything in this and everything that you can do on this. But I'm going to close it out here. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video, man. This was super fun to do. I can't wait to make more content like this. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that this was useful and that I explained things well. If I didn't, just drop your comments down below and I'll answer any questions that you guys have. But I'm pretty sure that I went over everything. I'm going to close it out here, though. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, remember to savage responsibly in whatever it is that you guys do. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.
4 in the morning, 4 in the morning. Know that I'm zoned and roll up the potent. Smoking the propane, mixing the potion, mixing the 20 with Henny and Remy. Balling out finger roll, yeah, with the jelly. Vibing out, you can find me at the telly. The drugs kicking in, damn, my palms getting sweaty. Know that I'm peaking, yeah, I be speeding. Lanes I be